Okay, so he also says Jack off the board. Elon.
Yes.
He just wanted to tweet something like that, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And when was this? May 26th. Yesterday.
Yeah, this was yesterday.
And
then he also replied of Twitter.
Of Twitter. And then he said, I'm a fan of Jack, by the way. Wish he would stay on the board, but I understand that he needs to move on. And then Jack put a horse. They're loving all these memes over here.
Mm-hmm.
The two of them, all of them. I wonder how long this can go on for. The Elon Musk Twitter dominance. Because I'm just looking at that tweet and I'm like, well, that has all the makings. It's a joke. It's this and that. It does have a lot of likes. But like, I'm curious about...
Is it dying down, you think?
I mean, everything dies. Everything dies. I'm not suggesting that his influence is dead. I'm just saying that it's an ebb and flow. It goes up and down. And
yeah, sorry.
I don't know what an optimal tweet is for him from an engagement perspective. And I don't know what people want to hear. Like, here's Starlink. There's Tesla merch. Now, that has 15,000. That has more retweets than Jack being off the board. Like, are they sick? Are people sick of this Elon Twitter thing?
Maybe.
And maybe they are. And they're just like, all right, get on with it. Either buy it or don't buy it. Like, the internet doesn't have the patience at this point.
Yes. Off to another subject. Although there was something. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. You know, it's pretty damn great to be able to talk to people from all walks of life in many countries on Twitter. So much to be learned, even from the harshest critics. Basically, I'm just saying I love all you crazy people. Whoa.
A lot of love there.
A lot of love there. So you're saying it's just algorithmic. He's getting the love on other ones. And look at this one.
This one.
Who do you trust less, politicians or billionaires?
And he attacked AOC about it.
Wow. I dare you to run the same poll with your followers. Holy. Well, he's still going after it. I take back everything I said.
No, but I think you're right. Maybe it's like the subject of Elon and Twitter is kind of dying down, but he hasn't died down in terms
he has to just pick
content. He's still working on different types of content. You know what I mean?
When you're looking at his Twitter account, it is such a huge sample size that you can almost tell to a certain extent. You have 100 million followers. You can almost tell to a certain extent what the general public is interested in, like via that. Mm-hmm. And he has to figure out this content balance, as you suggested. And he is a broadcaster. I don't care what anybody says. And he has to figure out this balance of things he's working on, political discussion. I mean, he's like a broadcast network. You mix it all up.
Yes.
Upcoming acquisitions, the future, space. Oh, that little car company. And
definitely memes.
And then memes.
Yeah.
To just sauce everything up a little bit on the sandwich.
Yes.
Did you have a sandwich at all recently?
Yeah. Not today. Actually, I did.
What's going on here?
I had a BLT.
Yes, not today. I did.
From Timmy's.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What was on it? It was the
bacon, lettuce, and
tomato. Oh, it was a BLT? Or was it it wasn't the turkey one that has turkey as well?
No. Is that good?
Well, I don't know. That I think they're kind of known for that one. That whatever they call it, Turkey Club.
Oh, okay.
Turkey.
Surprisingly good.
You were happy with it? They changed their bread recently.
The bread.
They changed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think they've been improving. I think that they've been stepping it up a little bit on the lunch items. Because you're there anyway for the coffee, and you know how that goes.